Have you ever been on a Zoom phone call where the audio sounds like you're talking through a tin can, or worse, the call just drops? It's one of the most frustrating parts of modern communication. Zoom phone is a powerful tool, but when its audio is choppy, or calls aren't ringing, your whole workday can grind to a halt. But don't worry. 9 times out of 10, the most annoying Zoom phone issues have simple, quick-fix solutions. Today, we're breaking down the 3 most common problems and giving you the exact steps to troubleshoot them, getting you back to clear, reliable calls. Let's start with the big one: bad call quality. If your calls are choppy, delayed, or have a hollow echo, the culprit is almost always your internet connection. Zoom Phone is an internet-based service, and it needs a stable connection. First quick fix: ditch the Wi-Fi for a wired connection. If you can plug your computer directly into your router with an Ethernet cable, you'll eliminate a ton of common wireless interference and see an immediate jump in call stability. Second, check your bandwidth. Are you downloading a huge file, or is someone else in your office streaming a high-definition video? Close all unnecessary apps and tabs, especially those that use a lot of data. You need to give Zoom Phone all the bandwidth it needs for a clear conversation. Next up, incoming calls don't ring or show up. This is a problem that makes you feel like you're missing important calls, and it's infuriating because the app is running. The fix here is twofold: app status and settings. First, the immediate solution: sign out and back in. This refreshes your connection to Zoom servers and is surprisingly effective at clearing up ringing glitches. If the problem persists, you need to check your settings in the Zoom web portal. Go to the phone section, then settings, and scroll to call handling. Make sure that your Zoom application, the desktop client and/or the mobile app, is toggled on to receive calls. If you're using a desk phone, check that device's connection status, too. While you're there, ensure your time zone is correct, as incorrect time zone settings can mess with your business hours and prevent calls from routing correctly. Our third and final common problem: error codes and inability to dial out. You try to place a call and you get a generic error message, or your outbound calls are blocked. For most generic technical issues, the solution is to make sure you're on the absolute latest version of the application. Check for an update for your desktop or mobile app. Zoom is constantly patching bugs, and this is the fastest way to get the latest fixes. If updating doesn't work, and especially if you're hitting specific error codes like a 403 or 503, the problem is likely at the network or account level. If you're on a corporate network, contact your IT admin. There may be a firewall or port restriction blocking the connection. If you're a single user, try using Zoom's built-in report problem tool under your profile settings. It logs your connection details and sends them directly to Zoom support. So the next time your Zoom phone acts up, remember the trifecta of simple fixes. Prioritize your network for quality, check your app login and call handling settings for ringing issues, and update or reinstall the app for general errors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.